This is the site of the Munroe family crypt in Friendship Cemetery. It's in pretty bad shape. Supposedly someone's getting ready to do some brickwork restoration. But Mrs. Munroe had this crypt created to mimic the Catholic Church in town, of which she was an avid member and supporter, and allegedly it's haunted, and if you yell her name in there, she'll answer, according to ghost legends. This is a bust to the 5th general buried here, who was the first president of what is now Mississippi State, which was the Mississippi Agricultural and Mechanical College of Mississippi. And here's his actual grave. I featured his house over by the library in a previous video, and he's underneath all that marble, and somebody's put another Confederate flag out there. Every time I come out here, there's a new one, probably left over from Decoration Day. There's also one of the flags from Decoration / Memorial Day. There's a few left over there too. The Teasdale Angel. Reverend Teasdale was a beloved pastor in Columbus. This is the weeping Teasdale Angel. He was the pastor at First Baptist Church, among many other things, but one of the most endearing things he did was he tried to create a way to mend some of the hurts after the Civil War, and created essentially discussions to heal the wounds between soldiers of the North and the South, the Union and the Confederacy. And this is his actual grave, and that is the family monument that was created. The angel it's a very recognizable stone here. Reverend Teasdale died in 1891, fairly elderly. Anyways, that's pretty much a quick tour of some